Hello everyone, once again I welcome you all in class 8 physics class, and today I will carry forward the rest of the topic of chapter 3, that is force and pressure. So today I will carry forward the previous video topic, that is application of atmospheric pressure. In previous video I told you about the atmospheric pressure and also I told you about one application, but today I will tell you about the two most important application, and one application is also given in your question answer, so it is very necessary. So first is the drinking straw. The drinking straw you already used in your daily life. When you are using the drinking straw, you are just easily suck the juice with the straw, but this drinking straw, it works on the principle of atmospheric pressure. Now how this works on the principle of atmospheric pressure? What happened when the air sucks out from the straw? जैसे ही air से suck out हो जाती है straw से, at that time the pressure inside the straw is decreases. The pressure inside the straw is decreases, but the outside atmospheric pressure is increases its maximum as compared to the inside pressure. So that outside higher pressure causes a pull through which the juice is going to move upward and you are able to drink. This type of mechanism is known as the suction mechanism. Okay, now the second and most important function, that is the function of vacuum cleaner. Now the function of vacuum cleaner, how vacuum cleaner works. So I have drawn over the figure of vacuum cleaner. Just understand the functioning of vacuum cleaner. It also based on the principle of atmospheric pressure, first most important part. Now what happened, as we switch on the motor of vacuum cleaner, जैसे ही हम switch on करते हैं vacuum cleaner का, this motor on and the fan which is here, it sucks out all the air इनसाइड द वैक्यूम क्लीनर. जितनी भी एयर है वो उसको सक आउट करता है टिल द फिल्टर बैग, यहाँ तक की फिल्टर बैग तक की जितनी भी एयर है वो उसको सक आउट करके क्या करता है, इट्स मूव आउट, द एयर इज नाउ मूविंग आउट. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, इट्स क्रिएट अ पार्शियल प्रेशर, इट्स क्रिएट अ पार्शियल वैक्यूम, दैट मीन्स द एयर इज वेरी लेस, पार्शियल वैक्यूम क्रिएट करेगा, सो दैट द एक्सटर्नल एयर, the external outer pressure is higher, it is maximum as compared to the inner. At that time the dust particles as well as the air is enters through the vacuum cleaner. Now it enters through the towards the filter bag. Now this filter bag is traps all the dust particle, but ये dust particle को तो trap करा, but it allows the air to move out. The pure air is going to move out from the exit which is given in the vacuum cleaner. That means motor switch on होने के बाद क्या होता है, जितनी भी internal air है that is move out which creates a partial vacuum. partial vacuum create कर रहा है, air less हो गई है, atmospheric pressure excess है, अधिक है, it causes the dust particle to move inside the vacuum cleaner, and in this principle it works. So let's move toward the another topic, that is the pressure exerted by liquid. Now these things you also done at your home. Sometime the kids are going to take bath and they are just going to play inside the washroom. They are just taking a mug and try to dip into the bucket full of water, but at that time the mug is not going inside because the water is exerting a pressure in upward direction. That is the pressure exerted by the liquid. For this you can see one activity. Take two vessels, okay, A and B. In both the vessels fill the liquid or fill the water, you can fill anything. Now make the hole in bucket A in the same area, but in bucket B 1, 2 and 3, and close this hole with the help of tape. As you just remove the tape, the water from the A vessel, it's just move properly, but water from bucket B, from vessel B, it's moving in the different way. The lowest hole is going to move water in the farthest direction. That's why these things happen. That means the water is exerting pressure. So how this pressure is there? Pressure in liquid, how it's work? So if you will see as per this activity how this pressure in liquid works. So it is works, the first thing increases with depth. Now one more thing is there, pressure exerted in all direction. At given depth. Pressure exerted in all direction, this is known as the lateral pressure. Now it's depend on the density of liquid, this is also very important. But it is independent on shape and size of the vessel. So this is the basis on which on the experiment. Now let's see the factors that affect the pressure of liquid. That means factors affecting liquid pressure. So whatever the factors are there which affect the thing. First is the height and depth of liquid. That means what is the height of liquid, what is the depth of liquid, that also determines the exerted pressure by the liquid. Pressure increases, pressure उतना बढ़ेगा जितना height और depth increase करेगी. तो pressure क्या होगा? बढ़ेगा. Pressure increases with increase in pressure increases increase and with now. Next thing is the density of liquid. Pressure increases as increase in density of the liquid. जितनी ज़्यादा density होगी liquid की उतनी pressure क्या होगा? Increase. So related to this one example, I'm going to give you the sea diver. एंड डीप डाइविंग जो बहुत नीचे तक जाते हैं, तो वहाँ पर क्या होता है, हाई बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. दैट साइड दे आर यूजिंग द स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ फूड सो दैट दे कैन बेयर दैट मच प्रेशर. नाउ सेकेंड थिंग इज देयर दैट व्हेन द वॉल्स ऑफ डैम्स आर कंस्ट्रक्ट एट दैट टाइम द बेस ऑफ द डैम इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड thicker as compared to the top so that they can bear the lateral pressure, because lateral pressure is also there. That's why. So this is all about the today's topic. The topic I will discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.